All right, you see here a completed table of contents. It will be a one-page document. You will be using margins of 1 inch, top, bottom, left, and right. You will be using a line spacing of 1.5, and you will be using a dot leader to line up your sections properly. The order of your table of contents is given to you in your handbook. And the other thing we'd like you to do is add some detail in. So, like under the letter of recommendation, you'd go ahead and tell us who wrote your letter of recommendation. Under your job application, list the business you applied to. College application, the name of the school. Under your best works, the title of your 2 best works, the title of your junior research paper. And down under additional supportive evidence, list your supportive evidence that you listed in your project proposal form. Okay, so that's a completed table of contents. Now let's go to a new document and show you how to create it and the dot leaders. So I have a blank document here. The first thing I want to check is my margins and line spacing. So I'm going to go to page layout, and first of all I'm going to open up the page dialog box, and I'm going to check top, bottom, left, and right. All say 1 inch, and if they don't, just change them. Click OK. I'm going to go over here to paragraph and open up the dialog box. Now, you want to make sure these 4 boxes say 0, and the line spacing is going to go to 1.5. Right. And then I'm going to go down here to tabs. Now, we need to set up 2 tabs. So the first one's going to be in a position of 0.5, and it's going to be a left tab, and there's not going to be a leader. And then I'm going to press the set button. And then I'm going to go 6.5, and it's going to be a right tab, and it's going to be a leader of option 2, and I'm going to press set, and I'm going to press OK. Now we're ready to begin our table of contents. So we'll go to center, and we'll put in table of contents. Oops. Enter once. I'm going to go back to left alignment, and I'll start. So the first thing is our letter of introduction. Now watch what happens when I press the tab key. The dot leaders come in. And now I'll type in section 1, and notice how it types backwards, heading back to the left side. So the numbers are aligned on the right side, the way they should be. Press enter once. Next item is resume. Now, we need to learn to spell resume correctly and not resume. So I'm going to put the capital R in there. I'm going to go over to insert and go to symbols. Go to more symbols. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to grab in my, oops, I went the wrong way. There it is right there. And we'll insert it. I need 2 of them, so I'll insert it twice. Right? Close the box. Now I'll go back and finish resume. Press my tab key. Section 1 again. Press enter. Now I have my letter of recommendation. Right? Tab key. Section 1. Press enter. Now I'm going to tab 1 time, and I'll put in the name of the person who gave you your recommendation. And then you're going to continue on with your table of contents in this format. And that's how you complete your table of contents.